Hey all, so I got this wonderful cylinder from Michael from Potti314. Anyone who has not checked out his stuff, go and have a look. Right, so Michael sent me a challenge to figure out how this comes apart, and he gave me the wire and a nice little note. And it said, use the wire to take them apart. So I've been... And now I saw this morning, I got an email telling me that he had uploaded a video of this, but there was also another email telling me that I was explicitly not allowed to watch it until I figured it out. So I've been pushing these things down, and I've put a blooming scratch on there, so I didn't want to damage it any further than that. So having a look around, and it looked like something had been stuck under there in the past. But no, I couldn't find anything there. And just looking at the keyways, now this is a little bit like, you know those Spot the Difference cartoons you used to get in the newspaper when you were kids. So spot the difference between this side and this side. Do you want to have another look at that? Play at home. Most of you will have seen this video that Michael uploaded, I'm sure. So anyway, there is a little ledge at the back of the keyway there, which I've only just worked out, like in the last few minutes. And the lip isn't as big on that side. So, and I tried the other side first, typically, and it was only just when the last, oh crikey, there's too much lube on it, look. And all slidey. The last little bit, I saw there is a little hole behind the key. And I thought, you're never going to get that around the key, so I was prodding and poking, trying to send it down to the back. But in fact, all you do is slide it upwards. Like that. Sorry, I'm doing a shot again. Like that. And push. There we go. And it comes open. Not sure. Well, I suppose if you're attaching this to a door, you don't really want to drill a cylinder straight through because that isn't very secure. Someone could knock that out, I'm sure. So this way, you keep a little bit of wood or something in between. And these are the two things that go through the door. Obviously, they'll be recessed in and whatever, but yeah, there we go. I'm assuming, I don't know. There's no, I haven't been reading any company literature or anything. Right, so yes, that's that. Shall we try and pick it? Right, unsure of what works. Now, I've been tinkering with a couple of Michael's locks overnight, and this hasn't actually been one of them, unfortunately. But the ones I have been playing with are not easy to pick. So I'm going to try my Sparrow's half diamond, because it's sort of a Yale-y looking keyway. Okay. Oh, it's quite, well, not getting anything in there. I've got some pretty light tension going on at the moment. Okay, I've got a little bit of creak on the core on number 3 there. I don't know as if I'm getting enough lift there. I'm going to see if I can get my little gem in there. A little bit of a turn there on 4. Or was that 5? Might have been 5 actually. As I can't go any further. 1, 2, little creak there on 3, turn the core, slight. I'm not counting right here, surely. 1, 3, 4. Counter rotation on 1. There's a little creak on the core on 3 or 4. Not quite sure. I don't think I'm counting right here. Well, I'm counting right. I mean, I can't feel everything. There, I think is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 1 is right up behind the pick, I think. The tension wrench. Okay, click on 1. Right, let's try the other way now. A little turn on core on 2, a little turn on 3. That's better. Get a bit more feeling going on here. Okay, nice click on 5. Nice click on 2. Nice click on 1. Nice little turn the core on 4. Need some lift. Let's get a jam in there. A little slight counter rotation on 4. Click on 4. There we go. Open on 3. Okay. Well, don't matter if it goes out of shot. I haven't got 2 of these. I suppose I've got 2 ends, but right. So can I swizzle that round? If I use the magic wire. Hey. There we go. So there we see the full extent of the hole. And we shove that up inside at a nice angle. And we push. And open they come. I think that I don't think I can take this apart. I did want to, actually. I did intend to, but I don't see how I'm going to. Can't take the cam off. If I knew there was a way, I would honestly do it, but I don't want to ruin the lock. It's too nice for that. So I'm going to knock it on the head and call it a day and say, thank you, Michael. They are in 2 bits. And that is the BKS Groot cylinder 3107KZ. Michael, I really appreciate the lock. It's fantastic. It was really nice to pick. Well, it was one way. It was really hard the other. I obviously hadn't tried that out beforehand. Cheers. Take it easy. Thank you ever so much again. And there's a little surprise to you on the way in the post. I'll send you an email. Speak to you all soon. Take it easy. Be good. Hey guys, yes, I have, so this is a follow-on then with the BKS cylinder. Basically, I've just uploaded this to YouTube, and I watched Michael's picking his earlier on, the one he uploaded a couple of days ago. And I said, oh, you can get into yours. I wasn't able to do that with mine, as I would have ruined it. And just looking at the back, and I had a polite response saying, oh, really? You're not able to get into it? I was able to take it apart to clean it up. So, as he suggested, I have got a nail out, and I have hammered it through the little pin in the cam, which I've got here. So let's gut this thing. So I thought maybe I should have pulled this out before I hold on a sec. It's a bit tight. Right. Oh no, that's still not going to work, is it? I bet I've hammered the wrong bloody thing, haven't I? But I need something to prize. We get there. We will get there. A pick ain't going to be the best thing to do that with, is it, Christian? Probably another magic door under here. Wait for it to go flying. Okay. Okie dokie. Hey, we're in. Okay, key pins. Deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Okay, there's the plug. Under in the top. Ooh. So they are similar to my others. Let's get those out. They are big, hefty springs, they are. Oops. The big, hefty springs pushing like crazy. There you are. Cool. Thank you, Michael. I would not have been brave enough to do that without you saying it could be done. So I really appreciate that, because I really wanted to see inside this. Lovely, lovely old cylinder. Very, very, very happy with it. leave things be. Okay, so keypins down the bottom, all over the place, wrong way around, everything, never mind. They'll just fall out if I fiddle with them. Then at the top we've got these sort of 5 mushroom saws type thing, I suppose they are. But yes, a very, very lovely old lock. I'm very, very chuffed with it, and might find its way into my collections. You may never see the light of day again. Right. Anyway, sorry for the little addendum on the end. And for those of you that saw, I just uploaded a video. It was this, and then I've just read Michael's email and seen his thing earlier on of him doing this. So, bloody, bloody, blah. You get where I'm coming from. I'll upload this tonight, and all will be good again in the world. Nice one. Take it easy, everybody. Catch you soon. Be good.